How to use the flashlight on your Garmin Instinct 2. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Instinct 2 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and use the flashlight that is built in on your Garmin Instinct 2. So the flashlight on your Garmin Instinct 2 is basically where the screen turns white and the backlight goes all the way up, giving it as much light as possible that you can shine and point in any direction that you need to. Now this doesn't seem like it would be useful, but I found it to be useful for not only navigating in the dark, especially in very dark areas, but you can also use it to read a thermostat or anything like that if you needed to. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. That really helps. Now there are actually two different ways to turn on the flashlight. The first is going to be through the control menu, and you can access the control menu by holding down the light button just for a second or two. Once you have the control menu open, we need to add the flashlight to the control menu, and we do that by holding the up button to open the menu, then go to add controls, and then just go down until you see flashlight. Right here, select it, and then that will be added. So now when we go back to the control menu, you'll see the flashlight here where we can select it, and then it turns on the flashlight. Now there's another way to actually access the flashlight in a much quicker and easier way, and that's through hotkeys, where you can do a key combination or hold down a key, and that will turn on a feature on the Garmin Instinct 2. So to have the flashlight turn on using hotkeys, we need to go into the system settings on our Garmin Instinct 2, and we do that by holding the up button to open the menu, then hit the up button again, and you'll see System, select that using the Start or Stop button. Then we just need to go down until we see hotkeys, select hotkeys. And then in here you can see the different combinations. Some of them are just holding one button. And then you'll get into combinations here. I'm using GPS and down, that's these two buttons right here. So once you select in here, you'll see all the different options that are available. Simply find flashlight, select it, and then whenever you do that combination of keys or just hold down that single key, the hotkey will enable the flashlight and turn it on. Now, once the flashlight's on, to turn it off, all you need to do is hit the back button, and then that will go back and turn off the flashlight. All right, so that's how you use the flashlight on the Garmin Instinct 2. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Instinct 2 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.